We get no respect. The plight of vector control workers in Kingston and St. Andrew. They threatened to stay off the job today amid concerns of violent attacks against them. Now, as TVJ News found out, the issues are rampant in some inner city communities where residents have raised doubt about the effectiveness of fogging.
A dengue crisis is unfolding, but the people charged with destroying mosquito breeding sites continue to come under attack, and they're fed up.
You know, I am upset. My colleagues inside, they are very much upset. They are very high rated with regards to what happened to our worker.
The latest incident happened Wednesday evening in Trenchtown.
It happened during the period of time when mosquito will be in flight, and this happened around about the 6 o'clock region. Because I'm well aware they were on their last road.
While he recounted the events of Wednesday evening, Mr. Virgo made this revelation.
I myself was hit by a stone in the, Tavares Garden community, known as Plain Land, right? Now, this act of violence against our workers must stop. On top of it, we get what you call no hazard allowance.
He almost lost an eye.
And then last night incident, and then 2 weeks ago another incident with an eye.
So yes. How many incidents can you remember?
Well, I know individuals here gone to their grave with their skull cracked.
He says the workers have been promised a police escort. That, however, is yet to materialize. Mr. Virgo surmises that people react violently because they're doubtful about the effectiveness of fogging as a means of destroying the dangerous Aedes aegypti mosquito.
They are of the opinion that when we fog, mosquito come down. And I constantly tell them that whenever we fog, what happens is a case where wherever the mosquito is, they're going to come out. But you're going to be able to sleep proper 2 or 3 nights after. There are premises where we can't spray at all. So what we have to do is just pause and move.
At a press briefing Thursday, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the worker who was attacked was treated at the comprehensive clinic and released.
But it could have been a lot worse. And frankly speaking, for the life of me, I can't understand why you're trying to help somebody and they're refusing the help in that kind of aggressive way. It's a reflection, unfortunately, of the challenges we face with this issue. Where people are just not retaining sufficiently to appreciate that there's a threat, that this has to be a part of the approach to dealing with that threat,